Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 8, last one of the month. We'll be going through a whole bunch of them for the STL Patreon for March 2024. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the link below. And we'll get to everything we can. All the links for these will be down the bottom as well. So we got Robin Art Workshop videos. We have our previews. We have our pinups. There's a lewd one of this as well, if you're interested. And we got slime girls. So we have different kind of slime girls. You can color it however you want to. Just letting you guys know for this as well. Next is 3D Moon, another figure. I think we already done this one. Yep, we done this one. So we'll skip that, but we'll put the link down for you guys in the bottom if you're interested. Lloyd Zoich is another figure as well. We have a Akuma. And I think we have one more. That is a Viper, Chrism Viper as well. That's ready to be downloaded. Kim Possible looks like it's going to be next. I don't know, it'll be for this month or next month. We got Viper, the big butt. But yeah, it generally was last month. Pixie Land 3D, and here's another figure one as well. It has been removed. Okay, no, I have to put that. Print Your Monster. Usually, they'll have their stuff towards the end of the month. A lot of times they have a lot of figures. They did plants last month. Like, this was like January for it. But I'll put the thing down the bottom for you if you guys are interested and want to see what they have later on. Cal 3D, I think we did Cal 3D as well. I'll put the link down for that as well. Sometimes I have multiples, don't know really why, but this was actually pretty good. Proxy figure, you want actual like a prop and stuff for your game. This is probably it that you really want for your game. Just letting you guys know for it. So you have Vecna's hand and eye and so forth as well. If you want to have an actual physical stuff, and if you have enough FDM filament or resin to have a big size prop for your characters, your players, this will probably be it. Okay, STL project. This is another figure as well. So they got free ghost faced one if you like ghost faced. But we have Keti. This is another anime figure for it as well, the Dullahan, and Kami as well. If you're interested in Kami, and Dapo, I have no idea where Dapo's from, but you have that one as well. But yeah, Tordal minis that are figure one as well. I don't know what's this month is going to be planned release. I think we have Power Girl that they're working on right now. Jane Potter, Osaka, I believe her name is from Star Wars. But March, this is going to be March release for it. Chung-Li with her leg split. I just think I'll get one for Chung-Li. Don't know. But that's for your March for this month. STL miniatures. We already looked at that from last video. I'll put a link down for that as well. But you can see the last videos to see what they have. Horrorcore miniature. Looks like this is a Warhammer Proxies. Looks like they're doing a orc. All in $45. So you have all your orc army. Looks like it. If you're interested for that. Oh, they got the Hulk King video penny that I saw the YouTube video for it. It's freaking hilarious for it. Oh, that's gonna be freaking hilarious to have in your game. Berserk is a DC figure, I will say, but I don't know if we'll see any pictures for it. So Gotham, February. So I'm not gonna pay $1. I'm just letting you guys know. I'll put a link down for you guys if you guys want to see what they have for March. It's pretty much up to you. Evil Lynn. We got Madame Mirage. Mara Jade Skywalker. I think that's Skywalker, Luke Skywalker's wife in the old canon. Well, Legacy now to call it. But yeah, there's your figures for those. There'll be more for them as well. Blue Sky Minis, they do Orc miniature proxies for 40K. This is your new welcome pack. That's from August 2023. March 11th, looks like you'll have. I wish they had make it bigger, but there. Will be your orcs for your 40K if you want more orcs. Biobreed. I believe this is another figure. Yep, figure. This was May of 2023. This February, March is Madcap. So he's working on Madcap. If you want Madcap, I have no idea which character that is in the DC or the Marvel universe. SwanNet 3D. This is a what you call March 1 cycle will be paused, so we'll skip that. Dork Factory, they do Dark Eldar stuff. How they do it is very weird. So if you're interested, you should go check them out. But it looks like they have a sale that's going on in Dork Factory as well. But this was from December for it. But if you guys want some pretty cool Dark Eldars, check them out. Beast Mode Miniatures. I don't know if they have anything out right now for it. I think they do. It will be these. That was from last month, but check them out if you can. 3D Fortress. We have for that. We have. Let's see. I guess it's April 29th. April delivered. April 29th. World War II tanks. March 10th, 2024. So we got some tanks for your probably want to do for your Imperium guys for it if you're interested, or you want some little soldier stuff. But yeah, go check them out. I'm just keep going down, trying to get stuff done. Looks like Brooks is going to be next for March model Brooks. So yeah, we got a chibi one and a regular version looking one. Looks like it. That will be coming out. Legends Grim. Let's see what's happening for this March release. Okay. This freaking. I want to see what they have for March. January package. Looks like some frogs. Holy shit. Show me the freaking things. I don't understand. Huntsman Studio, Sleeping Beauty. We got some frogs. I know something to do with frog folks, so keep me in touch. That's the same. Sleeping Community. Well, I'll put a link down if you guys want to see what they really have for it, but it's kind of weird. So we have Black Star. This is gonna be the March preview one. So we have looks like Jungle Girls again, Part 3, Dark Forest 3, with big boobas for it. I think this is it. Dark Forest 3. There you go. Have it like this with everything that's in it. Make it a lot easier for everyone to see. That's what I always say, but people don't listen. So we have, let's see here. This is this month for RN Studio Tribe ones. That does not really look good. We have some orcs and some Spartans. Looks like a Minotaur. But yeah, I don't know. This month doesn't look that great for RN Studio. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. Hope you guys do enjoy the last part of the month of the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.